Good afternoon, everyone. Everybody wants a packing video? Well, I decided to do one as I'm walking around. Okay, I hope this thing can see me. Well, today I'm packing up some plastic Swan cups. Didn't sell anything fragile today, so that's all I got to pack. First, I start off with bubble wrap. 2 sheets, 12" by 12", so 24 by 12 here. And since these are plastic, I don't have to really pad in between them. Just roll them up. And yes, I'm using the dreaded strap tape. Tell you a secret, post office hates this stuff, but it's great tape. And as I said, these are real fragile, so not too much bubble wrap on this. And that's my little bubble wrap sandwich. Now for the box. Using an 8 by 8 cube. This is also what I use to send off mugs in so they don't break or get crushed. I think I got these on eBay from a reseller for about $13 for 25 of them. With free shipping. And there we go, one box. Now for the fun part. Packing peanuts. Not pieces of cut up floaty or whatever cardboard cup holders. They really don't work. I've had things crack, break, and stuff like that when they got shipped and that stuff. Start out with a handful on the bottom of the box. Another handful on the bottom of the box, and of course drop some on the floor. And that's about what you get. And a little more. There, that's about perfect. Alright, then you take your mug, small fragile item, center it in the box. Then you take your packing peanuts, and I'm going to have to stand up to do this part. Pour them in. A little too many. Better too many than not enough. Out. Okay, now we have packing peanuts in there. You want to push down on them so they compress a little bit. Once they are compressed, and you get your tape on there, which is the fun part. There. You're now ready to weigh it and send it on its way with a slip on it. Thank you. Have a nice day.